times we have customers reach out to us and they need ceramic components and they only have a ceramic component with no prints. Send us your part, we'll reverse engineer it for you, we'll send you a print to sign off on, and we'll make a few prototypes so that you can try it out and see if it works in your equipment the way the previous parts have worked.
So basically there are 4 reasons that you would use ceramic components: wear resistance, high temperature,
or you need electrical insulation, chemical resistance.
And most ceramics are at least 3 times harder than steel. We're not worried about 1-piece, 3-piece, 5-piece orders. We're here to help you with material selection, design ideas, and a manufacturable component in the end. We want to get your project off the ground. Ceramics, sometimes your last resort, but the best solution.